Hello and welcome to the summary of Sprint 37 for YakShaver. What we are doing this week is we had Stephen and Lewis working. Lewis was half-time. We were working on some bugs. Our main focus here was we didn't have the full team and we just really wanted to get some bugs fixed up for stability because there's been a couple of annoying bugs that have come up a couple of times. So let me take you to the backlog. The ones that we got done were, there was an infinite loop bug that was causing a problem. We found it with application insights. It wasn't something I was noticing a problem with, but we wanted to get our errors down in application insights. The result card was not showing after an email is sent. So when we disambiguate, meaning we have to, the AI is confused about which person or which project you're talking about, and it asks for clarification. Sometimes it was making the PBI or sending the email, but it wasn't giving you the card. I've got a screenshot here. It wasn't giving you the card to show what was created. So that's been fixed up. And there was one of those annoying errors where if the video is more than 25 megabytes, then the Whisper model wouldn't take it. And we weren't passing that error back to the user. So they would just, spend a long time recording a really intricate video with a really intricate task, and then nothing would happen. And that's a very frustrating experience. So what we've got now is this. Video exceeds the size. The video size exceeds the limits. Please record a shorter video. So that will pop up. This is a short-term solution. Longer term, we're going to reduce the bit rate, potentially split a video into multiple videos, and then give it to Whisper, and then append the two transcripts. So we've got ideas for how to deal with longer videos, but until we do that, we just didn't want that pain.
And how long do you think they can record a video?
At the moment, if they've got a 4K screen, they can do about 5 minutes. If they've got a lower res stream, they can do up to, I think, about 10 or 15 minutes. But that was a number that was told as an estimate to me today. Before that, thought that even with a medium, like a normal size screen, you're looking at about 5 minutes. So, yeah. Yeah, pretty good. And look, I think most of these videos, when you're making tasks, are normally between 1 and 3 minutes. Like it's rare that you would be talking just to explain one PBI, considering a PBI is supposed to be a day's work. So how much detail do you want to give?
So just on that error message, Julie, I would like you to put a link to a knowledge base article or an item on the docs site that just says how you can lower your, how you can increase your video by lowering your res or doing something else.
Well, we won't need to do that because we're going to do it all for them. So we've got another PBI already that will literally take any video you take and make it best practice and give it to the system.
How's this 5-minute review going?
Amazingly, hi Levi. So code coverage is about the same. One deployment, no bugger all errors, which is great because the ones that were popping up we fixed. There are some things that are not being tracked by this, which we're trying to cover off now. We've got a few more people using it. These people in red weren't using it last week. And so Levi, you didn't use it last week and you used it last month, and you did use it this month. So good on you. We had no progress on any of these because we only did bug fixes. So none of our epics have been worked on. And the retro notes were basically just that what I just said. So looking at planning, our next sprint, we've still got a few bugs. This one and this one are annoying. They're big ones. Both of those cause the system to fail without giving you an error message, which is the worst thing that can happen. You spend time recording the video and then nothing happens. So that's our main priority for the sprint, is to fix those two. This is an easy one. It's just a visual error. It's not a big deal, but it's almost done anyway. Lewis has been working on this one. So global toggle, this gets rid of the need for the expensive global teams subscription. It also improves the security of the application. It's actually pretty cool. When that's done, I'll explain it to you properly because it's actually pretty cool how they did that. These two are improvements to the website. We've got some how to use the application style docs that we're putting in a separate docs area. At the moment, they're in the blog area. And then most importantly, I know they're last, but they are the big thing we're trying to get long-term progress with. We are improving our multi-tenancy situation. So hopefully a month away, maybe 2 months, we've got that fully sorted and industrialized, and clients are ready to go to the website, press buy, and have everything sorted, including a nice user experience and wizards taking through everything, and a portal and all the things. I think the hardest part of this, by the way, is going to be making sure that authentication is easy and smooth, because we had to tell our sysadmins to give us access to a lot of different stuff multiple times before it all worked nicely. And we want to make sure that's an easy process for the next client.
Well, even if we have a document where we walk them through it, I think it's okay.
Yeah, sure. And look, we can do the quick and nasty until we've got something up, and then refine it, and make it nicer for the second client, third client. So this video is going to go up here on the YakShaver YouTube channel. You can see previous ones if you want. Thank you guys very much.
Thanks, Yuli.
Thanks.
Bye.
See ya.